The unique links in the math tools are not just with the table and the graph, but they're also with equations and graphs as well. So if I start with my equation editor and actually write out an equation, and it does have to be an equation with two variables. I could do y equals 5x squared minus 2. Now if I look at my drop down here with my math actions, I still have the simplify symbolically, but if you see, I've also now got find zeros, find extrema, and this top one of generate a graph. When I generate the graph, it will actually create the graph created by my equation. I could go through and edit this graph or edit my equation at any point, and it will also change my graph. So maybe I don't want this squared. What happens to my graph then? It turns it back to a line, so that the two are now linked. As you saw, there are some other math actions within my equations, such as finding the zeros. So if I click find zeros, it tells me my zero is at x equals 4/10, which is right where it crosses the x-axis. If I go back to my squared and I do the extrema, it'll actually tell me the minimum point for my graph. Move these pieces down so you can see. And it tells me that the extrema for this graph is at 0, -2. So that is a new unique feature with the graphing as well, that you can graph literal equations that you're given, and you can change those equations and it will automatically change the graph.